Welcome back to Museful. Today we're doing a Apple unboxing. It is Apple release day. I went and picked up a few items today, in particular the iPhone Pro Max in orange. Decided to get the orange color because I like bright colors and I know it pops. They unfortunately got rid of the black, but they replaced it with orange. So for me, it was a trade-off. All in all, the process was smooth, typical with Apple. I did wait in line for about 30 minutes. I did pre-order. Um, when I got to the store, I did have to wait a little bit of time, but it wasn't too bad. So we're gonna do what we came here to do, which is unbox this guy, and I'm gonna give you my first impressions of it with my overall opinion. First thing I love to do is to peel off these stickers. It's something joyful about opening up a new device, a new tech device. For me particularly, I love tech and I love unboxing new things. So just broke the seal and we're going to open it. So the orange doesn't look bad in person. I did see it in the store, but with the lighting in the Apple store, you know it's kind of dim, it's kind of muted, so you really can't see the colors pop. But this orange doesn't look too bad at all. It looks great in the hands. It doesn't feel too heavy. They did remove from the titanium to the aluminum. Kind of glad they went back to a lighter foam. Doesn't feel overbearing or well. The muted Apple symbol in the back is a little different. The camera bump isn't obnoxiously like they showed in the video. It's not bad. I am kind of happy they did do bigger cameras. I'll be able to give you more feedback once I'm able to use the cameras. I am coming from a 15 Pro. I did not have the 16, so seeing this little button down here at the side for the camera was a little different. All in all, it feels good in the hands. It feels light. It feels refreshing. So let's peel off the screen. So rewarding, so much fun. Clean screen, probably the cleanest you ever have it. You know, when first time you unbox it, always going to be the cleanest. So that was my quick overview, quick unboxing of the new Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share.